Good evening, good evening, good evening, beautiful diamonds. Welcome to tonight's session where we are focusing on productivity. I know the topic for tonight says sales, recruiting, and developing supervisors training. So our training is all about making sure that there are sales in your business, your team is growing, you are recruiting, and skills are growing. You are developing your team by producing supervisors, which are leaders in the business, and you are well on your way to manager level and producing managers. So when you look at that, it's all about productivity. Tonight session, this training is all about productivity in your business. Productivity in our business is about case credits, generating CCs, because without case credits in your business, you cannot get promotions, you're not going to earn bonuses, you're not going to qualify for any incentives. So when we say productivity in Forever Living Products business, we mean generation activities that will lead to generation of case credits. Without case credits, there is no productivity in your business. So that's going to be our focus tonight. And we know that my leaders, when it comes to productivity, you need focus. Not just focus, you need discipline and you need execution. There are people who know exactly what needs to be done in our business, in our team. They know exactly what to do to be successful in this business. But they lack focus, they lack discipline, and they don't execute, they don't act, they don't do. That is why the slogan for Nike is just do it. Just do it. Do it. Without action, diamonds, there are no results. So our aim by the end of the session tonight, we want to actually give you information, know-how, what need to be done to be successful in the business, to be able to make sales, to be able to recruit, to be able to develop supervisors in your business, which will lead to the development of managers, development of more case credit and huge volumes in terms of case credits, earning big bonuses in the business, and moving up the marketing plan, qualifying for different levels on the marketing plan, and qualifying for incentives. That's what our business is all about. Making sure that you become that manager who's a top six-figure plus income earner who's qualifying for incentive. They are becoming an eagle. They are becoming Forever to Drive qualified. They're qualifying for global rally, traveling the world. They are qualifying for chairman's bonus, making sure that they earn those beautiful big checks that transform people's lives financially. I believe that we are all about that we join this business because we want to make money, we want to qualify for those beautiful incentives, we want to travel the world, we want to earn big bonuses that people are earning in our business. So that's our goal tonight. We are focusing on sales, recruiting, and developing supervisors. So let's get to work and welcome everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So when it comes to sales, recruiting, and developing supervisors, sales drives your results and create growth. If you are selling my beautiful diamonds, if you have a customer base, you have created that customer base, you are selling the products, you are going to have results in your business because you will generate CCs. Because you are generating CCs, because you are going to buy stock. We are making big sales, you are buying more stock, so you are generating more case credits. So mawuthengisa kakhulu kuzomela uyostoka angisho. Uyathengisa nama-customer amaningi, people are buying your products. So kumele uyostoka. Mawustoka kungena ama-case credits. So bakungena ama-case credits kusho ukuthi ivolume iyakhula yama-case credit. Lokho kuzoholela kuma-promotions. Abantu bayakhona ngokuthengisa beyi-supervisor ayedwa ngoba manje it's only 10 cc's to become a supervisor. And then kuzoba ne-growth. Amanye alama-customer adla i-product yakhe amanye bazo-end up basebajoyinile because bakunikeza imali every month. Abahlanganiphile bazofuna ukwazi ukuthi kanti mina ngayithengisa kanjani le product yakho. Lokho kuzo-create i-growth. Mabanye baqala ukujoyina, which is part of recruiting. So when it comes to recruiting, you want to find great people, good quality people, who will form your 5 key people in your team. It's not everyone that counts as a key person that you have recruited. Akusibo bonke abantu abajoyinisayo who become key people. Kunabantu abazojoyina ibhizinisi lakho abazi-enjoyela i-product. Babalulekile nabo uyastoka leyo 0.5 or 1 cc ngenyanga. Very important member of the business, of your team. But we don't count that person as a key person. Maybe in future that person can transition from just being a product consumer, umuntu nje othenga i-product azidlela yona athengisela abangani bakhe abayi-2 abayi-3 ngenyanga. Then at the end of the month udle i-product e-1 cc ngakahlanganisa nalawa athengisela abangani bakhe nama-family members nama-colleague emsebenzini. So a key person ilo ukuthi uya-attenda everything masithi attenda. Umuntu odla i-product, umuntu oyidayisayo i-product, umuntu orecruitayo, noma ngakakhoni ukuzenza zonke but ubonisa impawu zokuthi lo muntu uyafundiseka. This person is teachable, this person is hungry and willing to do what it takes to be successful. That's the key person. Then ngokuthola those kind of people, you'll build a strong team and the business lakho lizokhula faster. So bawurecruiter awufuni kuphelele ku-recruiting ujoyinisa abantu bafike bastake eteamini yakho bangakhuli. You want to develop them, equip them with skills, empower them, and then lokho ku-elevate i-performance. Umuntu who's well equipped nge-information, who's now being assisted in the activities, so uyenza ama-activities, uyenza ama-launches, uzoba empower this person, and then lokho kuzo-elevate i-performance yakhe because i-product uyayidayisa bayajoyina abantu ngoba usebenza naye uyamfundisa uyamsupport while also acquire ama-skills ukhono lokwenza leli business. Then lokho kwenza ukuthi ubuilde strong supervisors eteamini yakho, and then lokho kuzoholela ku-team strong. Mawunabo supervisor aba-strong, i-team yakho iba stronger and uzoproduce stronger managers. Labo supervisor bakho bazokhula ngoba bazoqala bakhiphe ababo bo-supervisor ngaphansi kwabo baze kwa-manager nawo. And bazokhona ukuduplicate kufundisa usupervisor ukuthi kuya kwa-manager kumele uproduce amanye ama-supervisor. So ngokwenza njalo uzokhona ukuthi uyenze le cycle yokurecruiter, usebenza nabantu bakho ubafundise kuya kwa-supervisor, then mabafika kwa-supervisor ubabonise ukuthi indlela ukuya kwa-manager ukuyenza exactly lokho esikwenzile nawe nabantu bakho basize kuza kwa-supervisor. The more supervisors you produce kuzoholela ekutheni umuvele kwa-manager level. So naye uzokhona umakaya kwa-manager uzokhona ukufundisa ama-supervisor bakhe ukuthi sisebenza nabantu bethu esibafakayo ebhizinisini sibakhela uya kwa-supervisor. So labo supervisor bakhe abakhipha ama-supervisor nabo bazomlandela kuphi kwa-manager. So nifuna si-understand sibe clear ngayo lapho Diamonds if ufuna kuba ne-productivity ebhizinisini lakho. So ekseni angazi ngikhulume nama-manager ngathi ngithumela i-message kuma-manager ethi ngibone, I think so. Yeah, ngenze i-voice note for abo-manager. I think abo-manager active. Let's see. Yeah, ngithumela i-voice note kwabo-manager. Only 2 managers responded. Yeah, okay, yes. ngithumele i-voice note ekuseni along those lines. But bengikhuluma ngokuthi what they need to do today as a Sunday as managers with their teams. You see, ukuze if ningakathintani no manager wakho namuhla kusho ukuthi omunye maybe angamamelanga i-message ngithumele ekuseni impela I think ngo-10 or just before 11. So ukuthi siplane kanjani ngeSunday, siplane ama-activities weviki. Bakwethu i-diary yakho mayi-empty kusho ukuthi ne-wallet yakho izoba empty month end. If ufuna ukwenza ibhizinisi ngama-accidental opportunities ezekile ukuthi uzithole sokhuluma nomuntu bewungahlelanga uthole nje ukhulume nomuntu nge-accident, it was not planned, then your business is in trouble already. Imistake enkulu eyenziwa abantu abaningi ebhizinisini lethu bakwethu ngoba awunaboss lana. Ngekho ozokuthi awuyenzanga lokhu, then this is the punishment. I-punishment ama-results kuphela. Nge-15 or nge-14, nge-15 wonke umuntu uholile osebenzile waba nevolume ngo-April and wayenza ne-4cc yakhe. I-punishment yalabo abangazange bayenza ama-4cc wabo ukuthi abaholanga bona nge-15. Yakhona uyazwakala. So if ungasebenzi futhi lenyanga kungabe nama-activities kusho ukuthi nge-15 wena futhi zangoJune angeke uhole futhi. So that's the only punishment. Awunaboss ethi ngizokuxosha. Kodwa abantu bakithi bakhuthazwa kakhulu ukwesaba ukuxoshwa, hayi ama-results. Masingalungisa i-mindset yethu ukuthi uphatheke kabi ungaholanga nge-15. Uphatheke kabi ungaholanga mhlambi nge-1 or nge-2 makubhadalwa imali yokurecruiter. Excuse me. Uphatheke kabi futhi nge-11 if ungaholanga mabaholela imali yokurecruiter nge-11. Uphatheke kabi nge-21 mabanye bahola imali yokurecruiter wena ungaholanga. Because hola kayi-4 ngenyanga go forever. If singazifundisa ukuthi sifile i-pain ama-results mangaveli ngalendlela besifisa ngayo, so it is going to lead us pressing to do more activities azoholela ukuthi nge-1 uyahola, nge-11 uyahola, nge-15 uyahola, nge-21 uyahola. Because you are more results driven. So you are more actually purpose driven than driven by fear of punishment. You see, Kamlungu is about that we are afraid that we are going to get fired. If I don't do the job properly, I'm going to get fired. If I don't report for work, I'm going to get fired. That's what motivates majority of people to do their work. But business like forever, it's only the results that will punish you. Ageko will fire you. That's the only difference. So if we let Ilona job mentality, business like forever, or an employee mentality, you are not going to be successful. People who make money go forever is those that develop their mindset. Actually, give yourself a big 5 you are in this training tonight. I believe we are 19 right now. Go and check just the WhatsApp group for the team. It's almost 300 people. We have lots of people in our team who are not even in our WhatsApp group. In the WhatsApp group, we're almost 300. But in this training, for now, we are still 19. So it means you are extra special. You know what you want. You are hungry for success. And definitely, you will be successful. Because you make commitment, you make sure that you are willing to pay the price, not easy to join these Zoom meetings on Sunday evenings. But now you want to prepare for work for tomorrow. You want to prepare the kids. Maybe they're going back to school tomorrow. But now you have to attend this training as well. So it is a sacrifice to be in this training. Thank you for those number 5, iPhone CO5, Priska Muthala, Kolani Powe, Juliet. Thank you so much for those 5. I can see those 5s. Then Thabo Matlala, Mphahlele, thank you for the 5. Sophie Mjela Nokubonga, thank you for those 5. So it's a sacrifice to be here. Robert, thank you for the 5. And thank you. So let's push. Make sure that we get those results. Let's talk product sales. When it comes to product sales, Diamonds, this is a hidden gold for Forever Living products. You see, we wrote the product, it got gold, because it is a hidden gold go forever. I'm telling you, if you can master sales, you'll stay in this business forever. Sales are very important. Sales give you instant money. If you are able to sell our products, you get money every day. Each time you sell products, you make profit. So this is what I want us to master tonight. Please check if your downlines are in these 19 people who are here. If they are not, screen grab, send them, remind them, join the training. You are missing out because you are leaving them behind. You want your team to produce. Each time you attend trainings, make sure your 5 key people and their downlines are in that training. Each time you attend a presentation, make sure you check your 5 key people are there. If you attend a success day, you want to make sure your 5 key people are there and their downlines. You want to keep your number growing from meeting to meeting. That's the secret for success. You are learning together with your team. People who learn, they always keep high energy level. People who attend our events, whether it's training, presentations, success days, their energy level is always high because they are inspired. They have the information, they know what to do. When they go out and start applying, do what they were taught, they start learning and developing skills. The more skilled the person is, the more confident they are, the more activities they do, the more results they get. So you want more people in your team to keep high energy level, to do more activities so that they can get the results. The results will inspire them. They are making money with sales. They are recruiting. So there's growth in their team. Then there's more productivity in the team. They are achieving the targets, the case credits in order to get promotions. Abantu bangastart kahlale ku level A1 forever. You want them to grow. Yeah, but they don't move. There are those that will move faster. There are those that will move slower. But there must be growth. Growth is a sign that at some point they will get the result they're looking for. Stagnation is dangerous when there's no growth, because there's no future prospects of success. That is why be growth orientated in your team. Monitor growth. So let's talk sales, because I said, if you can master sales, my diamonds, I'm telling you, if you can master sales, you will stay in forever. This is the secrets of mastering sales. Number 1, you want to use the product. Someone can ask, ukudla i-product kuthengisa kanjani? Ukudla nokuthengisa i-product uhambelana kanjani? I believe that might be a question. Ukudla i-product nokuyidayisa kuhambelana kanjani? This is how they link. Ukudayisa i-product nokuyidla. Umuntu odla i-product, my diamond, ugaina i-confidence. And because they start now to feel the benefits of using the product. So in knowledge, it's no longer just theory. knowledge of someone who's using the product is not theory, but it's experience. It is experience, lived experience. Now they get inspired by the results. So gain confidence nge-understand your product because isebenzela yena umnikazi wayo. So umuntu osebenzisa i-product makaphuma yokhuluma nabantu, ukhuluma nabantu nge-confidence because akakhulumi i-theory, ukhuluma into ayi-experienceayo every day ngoba uyayidla le product yakhe. So ikhulisa i-belief yakhe around the product because iyazi le product yami izomsebenzela lo muntu engimthengiselayo. Abanye ama-results wakhe a-physical, abantu bazobona kuye ukuthi le product yakhe igood kangakanani. That's the power yokusebenzisa i-product yakho, my diamonds. If uyisebenzisa i-product yakho kuzobonakala lapho une-confidence enye simanga nge-product yakho because uyayisebenzisa. So you talk to people about your lived experience. So that's the power yokusebenzisa i-product yakho. You have results to share with others. You have a product story. So kutshela abantu uthi ngadla le product yangenzela lokhu nalokhu nalokhu. Abanye abakwaziyo before usebenzisa i-product, they will see the difference i-product eyenzile. Nabo they'll want to get the same results, they'll want to try your product. That's power yokusebenzisa. And then now siphila isikhathi se-social media, my diamonds. Kulula ukuthengisa i-product manje than before. Because before you had to meet these people physically. Use your status. Sometimes I get, when I post on my status, I get an opportunity to check ama-diamonds statuses. Abantu abasethimini ukuthi bapostane kuma-status wabo. Wasina lots of our team members who have nothing on their statuses. Abanye baziphathele nje amavesi, abanye bazifakele music abawuthandayo, abanye bayifakele nje impahla, abanye izinja, abanye bayifakele icathulo. Labantu abazi lethula abayiphethe ukuthi powerful kangakanani. Kunabantu baphethe amathulusi powerful, but they don't understand, they don't know how to use those powerful tools to their advantage. My diamonds, in our team, if you check my statuses, most of the time, whatever's on my status, if it's not something personal, it's business related, majority of time, you'll find that I shared the same videos in the group. Because I know kusanabantu abangakakhoni ukuzisosela i-content. So I share my content in the group. And I'm not the only one. There are other leaders in our team who share good quality content in our WhatsApp group. Kungakho ingimangaza mangithola ukuthi umuntu osethimini yethu akanalutho ku-status sakhe. Mara ukhona ku-WhatsApp and uyawabheka ama-status wabantu. But it's only consuming ama-statuses yabanye abantu. Yena akaposti lutho kweyakhe status. Diamonds, how many of you have sold a product or received an inquiry? Ngaba nge-product or nge-business ngenxa ye-post oyenzile ku-status sakho or ku-story ku-Facebook or ku-story ku-TikTok. Ngicela ngibhalele number 6 ku-comment section. Uke wathola inquiry because of i-social media platform yakho lokho kupostile lapha ku-social media, whether i-story or TikTok wakho or story ku-Facebook, story ku-TikTok, or the actual wall, you posted something, a content which led to someone inquire. So lokubona lapho ukuthi bayingakhi okay ngibhalele number 6. Please write number 6. I want to see those. Write number 6 in the comment section. If you wathola inquiry or query because of status up or story on Facebook or your wall on Facebook or TikTok. I-content oyifakile it to someone asking. Ngiyabonga Robert, thank you for liking the slides. Thank you Tate Mphahlele. I can see the number 6. Robert Mchenga, number 6. Sister Zuma, number 6. Sophie Mijela, 6. Juliet, number 6. Ausinari Kobe, 6. Elvis Mphahlele. Oh, Mapala, sorry, wish you. Elvis Mapala, 6. Priska Mthala, number 6. Inquiries and sales, not just inquiries. Priska says, I got inquiries and also made sales because of my content. Wonderful, wonderful. That's fantastic. That's the whole aim of the content. And then iPhone said 6 because of post consistency on my WhatsApp. She posts iPhone or see maybe iPhone. She posts consistently on her WhatsApp and she gets inquiries and makes sales because she's consistent. Metandi and Tolani as well, they have 6. Sharon, number 6. Agnes, number 6. Let's see how many people commented. We are 18 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Out of the 18 that are in this session now, 12 of you have either made a sale or received content inquiry because of the content you have created on social media. So you see, let's see, 12 out of 18, what is the percentage? What is our percentage? 67%. 67% of those that were in the training when I asked the question, they either sold the product or recruited someone or received an inquiry because of their social media posts. Almost 70%. That tells you the power of using social media correctly. Share, engage, and inspire across all platforms. The kind of content you need to share about your products, share about your business, interact, engage, like other people's posts, watch other people's statuses as well. About posts that inspire you. Don't watch izinto that will demoralize you on social media. Don't watch arguments. Abantu abadebatayo ngama-politics, abo-xenophobia, wara. Those things will discourage you. They will drain you energy. You want to watch inspiring stuff where you learn something, where you get inspiration, where you actually something that adds value. Like and comment. And then make a list of people that really you want to target because you want to recruit them or convert them to your customer. List all those people that you follow or that follow you on your social media posts, on social media. Your Facebook friends, your TikTok friends. Make sure you make a list because there are many of them. Because when you have a list of people you are interested in, you can always check their posts. Each time they have a new post, if it's something inspiring, teaching, or about their family, something that is important to them, like, comment. People want to, when it's their birthday, make sure that you write that happy birthday message. People see those things. If they are celebrating something, type that congratulations. Show interest in them more than trying to become interesting yourself. Yes, it is important social media to become interesting, but also be interested in other people by liking, following them, sharing their commenting on their posts. So you'll see, even those that were not commenting on your post, if you are consistent in commenting on their post, liking their post, they will end up start liking your post and commenting on your post. Now they see more of your posts. And each time they comment on something that was business related, always inbox them and find out if they would like to get more information related to these products. If there was a product, it was a product post. If it was a business post, always ask if they would love to receive more information relating to the business. That's the aim of those posts on social media. Product launches, very important, my diamonds, to do product launches. Product launches are powerful. I'll do training just on product launch. Product launch, it is a home presentation. You can do it at a home, you can do it in a convenient place where, or else you ask a neighbor to invite their friends, their relatives to their home, and you go and do a launch. But auntie, ngazi kudala ufuna heat lotion. Invitele 10 of your friends nama neighbor wakho lapho ngizokuza ngizokupresentele ngokuphe ngokuthengela ungathi ngizokupha uthi ngizokuthengela leya heat lotion because dala uthi uyayifuna but imali ayihlangani. Invite abangani bakho lapho nama relative nama neighbor wakho aunt. Ngelanga elithize ngizobapresentela ngibazise ngeproduct le ne business wena ngizokuthengela leya heat lotion yakho. O serious ayifuna leya heat lotion or iscoop uzoku-invitela omunye uzokhona uku-invite leyo 10 omunye instead of 10 kuzofika abantu abawu-5. It's still a big achievement when ungambaleli ukuthi uze abantu abayi-5 mthengele whatever you promised and then do the presentation for those 5 people. I'm telling you, out of those 5 you'll make sales, you might even get a recruit. That heat lotion, it will pay for itself. That aloe vera gel, it will pay for itself. Cela abantu baku-organizele ama-launch. If ungakhona wena unendawo kwakho okini la ungafakanyana abantu abawu-5, 6 ba-invite endlini. Ungasabi isimo sasendlini. Kunabantu abahleli abangayenzi ama-launches because athi akunamasofa. Ozela amasofa akini ukwakhe. Do those presentations wena kuleso simo okuso. Angisho bayakuvakashela kulesimo okuso labantu. Manje usabani kuba mema ke uzoba bonisa into engashintsha impilo zabo. Abantu bayagulela badinga just kwazi ngeproduct ka forever. Abantu bafuna ukuyenza imali. There's this lady who is think she's sorry manager now. She stayed in a very terrible space in a shack in Cape Town. Ubaba Biela shared this story. Today she's a sorry manager, uhamba ngabo Fortune, uhlala edrobheni nomuzi wasedrobheni. But makajoyini forever bekahlala emkhukhwini. But bekungala nemoto bengangeni la bakahlala khona. Bekumele nishiye imoto somewhere nihambe ngama passage kuyofika la bekahlala khona emkhukhwini. Lo sisakabhekanga lesimo bamtshela babiyela noma mbiyela ukuthi wena ungabheki lesimo mema labo makhelwane bakho ophila nabo la sizoba presentela. Uthi babiyela lesimo besingekho sihle. Uthi wazi umambiyela even slept in that shack. Akha lo sisi. Lo sisi ngendlela beka hungry for his success ngakhona, she became a manager. Angisakhumbuli in a matter of 2 months or so, she was already a manager. She was hungry for success. Once we assist within 2 years, she was a sorry manager. bese athenge umuzi ahamba nangefortune. Bathe bebajumpa amanzi kulalana ahamba phezulu kwey'tina because kunamanzi kuyofika emkhukhwini wakhe. Wenza ama-launches kuleyo mkhukhu. Today she's a sorry manager. Ubaba ku-100,000 plus per month. Because akabhekanga isimo sendawo yakhe. Waqala ama-launches, ama-home presentation kulowo mkhukhu wakhe. So ungabheki isimo sakho, invite abantu wenza ama-presentation lapho uhlala khona, kulabantu ophila nabo. Yiyo ezokukhipha kuleso simo. Events bakwethu makunama-events asiceleni opportunities to put up tables or go to an event with a purpose. Phatha i-transparent bag yakho, iphethe ama-product. Uye emcimbini umngcwabo izohlala ebhutini emngcwabeni. Uye ephathini or uya eloneni esontweni awuhlale une-transparent bag yakho lapha ebhutini. And then mawunganamoto ongakhathazeki ibambe ngesandla. Angisho awuhluphi muntu, uziphathile ibheg yakho wena u-attenda umcimbi. Uzokhuluma nabantu abakusukelayo bafuna ukwazi lento abayibona la phakathi kwale bheg yakho ngoba i-transparent le bheg yakho. Masimo sivuma manje umcimbi uphelile sesiya-socialize or singaphandle. Uyabangena labo abakubuzayo bachazela nge-product. Sithengisa ama-product amaningi nge-transparent bag. Iya-promoter a-transparent bag. Bakwethu before sikhuluma i-transparent bag ngizobuza lo mbuzo. Bayingaki la kule training who have done their launches? Please give me number 7. Uke wenza i-home presentation. Uke wamema abantu ekhaya endlini wayenza i-presentation. Juliet, well done, well done, well done, Juliet. Anyone, noma kungasimanje uke wayenza i-home presentation endlini. Ngicela just number 7, ubhalele u7 in the comment section. You did the launch. Since you have joined the business, you did do a launch. Sister Zuma, thank you so much. Elvis Mapala, I wish. Iska Mesorodi, well done, well done, well done, well done. Let's see how many of us now. Mary Becca, thank you so much. ITEL A6610L, well done. I just want to see Robert, thank you so much. For how many of us have we done launches at home? So let's see how many of us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Out of the 21 who are in this session now, I forgot my number now. Let's see, let's go back and see how many of us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 9. So 9 have done home launches. 9 have done the home launches. Well done, well done, well done, Mam Zuma, and well done, Sharon. So, okay, we are 9 who did home launches. So how many of you, Kule 9, which have done their home launch, did make a sale or sign someone because of a launch? The home presentation yako. How many of you who has made a sale or signed someone because of the home presentation or logo sumbiza ba launch? Nginikeza number 8 ku comment section, because kulabantu baba presentele ngesikhathi wamemile endlini uthengisile or else wajoinisa umuntu. Sibe nabantu abawu9 abarespondile ngicela laba because of leyo presentation uthengisile or ujoinise umuntu. So there was results after the presentation. Hello, number 8 in the comment section. Then if you count, ukuthi kuleya 9 enza ama home launches bayingaki abathengisile or bajoyinise because of the launch. Asibone Juliet, what uthengisile? Okay, good, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. What happened? Okay, awesome stuff. Okay, let's see. I just want to tell you the percentage of those that got results as a result of the launch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, or the number has increased who have sold because of a launch. So we had 9 who replied on a launch, but 10 kulaba abathengisile or as a result of launch. We have a new person who did not respond to the previous one. So it is 100%. 100% of abantu abayenza ama-launches abadayisile or are recruit. Oh, Ma'am Rebecca uthengise ku-presentation ayenze esikolweni, not home. Okay, thank you so much, Ma'am Rebecca. So, but 100% yabantu abayenza ama-launch, ama-presentation ezindlini, they get results. Either uyathengisa or uyajoyinisa, 100%. Ngicela si-comprehende sicabange ngaloko, Diamond. 100% yabantu abayenza ama-launch, they get results. 100%. Should 9 out of 9 get results because of a launch. So Maufunama results, there's your answer. If you are not getting results right now in your business, you just received your answer. Now, what is it that you need to do to get results in your business? 100%. Please put 100% in the comment section. Someone, 100%. Everyone who does launches, they get results. 100%. Please put 100% in the comment section. Just 100. No, maybe getting that 100%. Oh, Juliet, thank you so much for the 100%. Priska, 100%. So, Tandi and Kolani, 100%. My leaders, that's where the secret is. Tabon Pashlele, 100%. Sister Zuma, 100%. Robert, 100%. That's the secret. Mary Becker, 100%. Thank you so much. Yeah, but if you want results, you are not getting results in your business, start doing the launches. Elvis, 100%. Miss Rodi, 100%. That's the secret, Diamond, for getting results. Intel, what's your name? Write your name as well. I always call you ITEL A6610L. So my leaders, if you want results in your business, do product launches, because everyone who does product launches get results. Akekho wenza ama-presentation endlini amembe bakhelwane abangane ihlobo ongadayisi ongajoyinisi. Yebo, mhlawumbe ungangeke uqale ngokujoyinisa. Abanye bathola everything, bathola abantu abajoyinayo that home launch, athola abantu abathenga i-product that home launch. And the other thing ma-launch akwenzela yona is sales. I mean, it's developing you as a presenter. Abantu abahosta ama-presentation endlini zabo yibo kaningi obabona bapresenta masemahholweni, these big events, who are training, presenting. Mostly, ilabantu esisebenza nabo ezindlini. Why are we giving them the opportunity to present it when we are in big events? It's because we saw them presenting Masenza home launches. That's where we train them. They hone their skills. They develop their skills endlini to those home launches. Kungago sibathemba with big audience, to big events. That's power there. 100% bantu abenza ama-launch bathola ama-results. So transparent bags. Bayingaki who are using transparent bag? If you need a transparent bag, please give me a number 3. Give me number 3 unayo i-transparent bag onokuyisebenzisa. I'm just going to see quickly how many people have transparent backs. Transparent back. Yeah, okay. Let's see how many of you have transparent backs. Please put number 3 in the comment section. Number 3. Money transparent back. Put number 3. Okay. If you count it, by transparent back before count my results, about my results since they started using it. Okay, Sister Zuma, now you transparent back, and then I tell as well. I tell the transparent back. Umam Tandi, no Tolan, but the transparent back. Mam Sophie, Michelle, Sophie, unali transparent back. Agnes, unali transparent back. Elvis Mpapala, unali transparent back. Priska, Mshala, unali transparent back. Tati Tabum Pachele, unali transparent back. Juliet, unali transparent back. Mary Beck, unali transparent back. Sharon, unali transparent back. Robert, unali transparent back. So, buying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 people have transparent back in our current number of 22. Let's see. Kutina Baingaki, whoever got results because of transparent, you were either stopped to be asked about the products in your bag or you had a sale as a result of your bag. Please give us a number 4 in the comment section because we pay my product. A person stopped you to inquire about the products or you made a sale because of bantu babone uphethele bag yakho transparent babona ama product. Ngibhalele number 4 in the comment section. Ufuna ukubona ukuthi bayingaki who got results. Sister Zuma did make a sale or get an inquiry because of transparent bag. Agnes Kanjalo, Sis Sophie, Mam Rebecca, Mam Tandi, Powe, Kolani Powe, Elvis Mapala, I tell Robert Deacon Michenga got inquiries, and then Juliet made a sale. Sharon did have a transaction as a result of transparent bag. Mom's hold. So let's see how many of us we are now. How many of us in the training round? We're still 22. Perfect. Let's see how many people got results with the transparent bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 people got results with transparent bag. How many people did say they have set 11 they've got results? Okay, how many people have transparent bag? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Out of 12 people with transparent bag, 11 did get results as a result of having a transparent bag. It's another almost 100%, 99%. What does that say? If you don't have results, you need to start carry around your transparent bag. You'll make sale, or get inquiries as a result. So transparent bag does have results. And then please, let's see how many people. Then when we leave this meeting, we know exactly what to do to get results, all of us, so that when you go out there, no one will cry about sales, no one will cry about not having results. We're going to do the exact activities that others in this meeting are doing to get their results. So we're not going to start something new. We are going to do exactly what others are doing and getting results who are in this meeting. Because what people do in this meeting, get results, is exactly what all top leaders do to get their results. So pop-up table, how many of us ever have had a pop-up table? Pop-up table, whether it's seconding, whether it's at an event, whether it was a family gathering, they were busy doing whatever, you just displayed your tafula there on the side, people were coming to your table making inquiries. If you ever did a pop-up table, please put number 5 in the comment section. Go ahead and pop-up. Ngibhalele u5 ngapha ku-comment ngizokhawunta ukuthi bobani. Umam Skhodi uke wayenza. Sophie naye. Ntate Mapalla, Elvis naye uke wayenza. Mam Rebecca uyayenza. So how many people did pop-up? If you go and the pop-up, please put number 5. Number 5. So let's count. How many people did the pop-up? Okay, say 22, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people ever did pop-up. Okay, the number grew. A church. Yeah, still count. You're supposed to put number 5, I tell. You did have a pop-up table, even if it was at church. So very important. So 6 people that did the pop-up. One, awesome. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 5. 1, 2, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 people did have pop-up tables. So how many of you who, out of the 5 of you did pop-up table, how many of you got results? You either sold a product as a result of your pop-up table, or did receive inquiries, you did collect new names as a result of your pop-up, or it led to someone joining your team as a result of your pop-up table. Please give me number 6. Okay, wathola my result because of your pop-up table. Right, number 6. Also, if you sale, okay, number 6, I'll count you about people who did the 6, wrote 6. Also, Sophie, Mapalla, yeah, and then Messerodi, Robert, Rebecca did get results. We said people who said had pop-up table the way 5. Out of the 5 who ever had pop-up tables, the results are that someone who got results, whether it was inquiry, collected new names, you sold or recruited. People who got results, who wrote number 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5, all the 5 did get results. So my leaders, do you see the secret? I hope now it's becoming clear that the results are there. You just need to do the right activities. So 100% of people who ever had pop-up tables did get results, 100%. So let's move on. One-on-ones. One-on-one is when you sit down with someone and show them the business or do a product presentation for that one person. So it's either a one-on-one for product or one-on-one where you present both the benefits of the products and the business. A one-on-one can be just about the business, a one-on-one can be just about the products. A one-on-one can be both, about both products and the business. So how many of you are doing one-on-ones? A week, in our team, I think not less than 10, do 10 or more. But even if you do less than 10, but you are doing one-on-ones, please give me a number 9 in the comment section. You are doing these presentations, one-on-one, where you sit down with a person and do a presentation for them. Sometimes can be even on WhatsApp. We are using WhatsApp. You are talking to people, texting them information on WhatsApp or WhatsApp call. There are some presentations that are done on WhatsApp. Give me number 9 if you are doing one-on-ones. Everyone who's doing one-on-one presentations. Let's see how many of you are doing one-on-one presentation. Who wrote the number 9? People doing wrote number 9. We have Sharon, Agnes, Mom Sophie, Ausnari, Priska, Mam Tandi and Tolani, Mam Schodi, Juliet, Sister Zuma. Okay, let's count how many people wrote number 9 because they're doing one-on-ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so number 11. Out of our number, how many of us now? We are 21. Out of the 21, I said 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 11. Yeah, we are 11 people do presentations, one-on-one presentations. So if you are doing one-on-one presentation, and in those one-on-one presentations that you ever did, one or many of them resulted in sales or someone joining your team. Give me a number 10. Did get results in some of those one-on-ones. Either they bought a product, they joined your team, or they referred you to others. That's right, number 10. Mawuthola ama-results, wathola ama-results ngama-one-on-one owayenzayo. Thanks, Mangtandi Likolani, Priska, Sister Zuma, Sophie, Agnes, Juliet, Rebecca, Wusi, Sharon. So out of those that got result, we said there are 11 people that got result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 11. Yabantu abayenza ama-one-on-one kule training. Abathola ama-results. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, yeah. 9 got results. Out of the 11, if, yeah, calculated right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 10, yeah. 10 out of the 11 who are doing one-on-ones have results. Almost 100% of people who are doing one-on-one presentations are either selling or recruiting because of those one-on-ones. So now we understand diamonds. There's no secret in this business. Just doing the activities consistent. What will make a difference? Could you have results as visible for everyone to see? It's just the consistency. How consistent are you? And the number of activities that you do. Repeat customers. So how many of us in this group, whoever get people who bought products, when you check them, when you phone them, people are buying products from you. How many of you, when you call these people to check on them, they actually buy again? Notice, even if it's not always, but you have realized that each time I call my old customers who have not bought for 2 months or 3 months, or else after who are buying consistently, but I keep checking them. Even when I know that they did not buy for a long time, when I check them, some of them place new orders. I make repeat sales. Give me number 11. If uke waba ama-customer wakho amadala mawuwafonele after kunesikhathi bangathengi bayathenga, bafaka amanye ama-order amasha because umfonele. Please put in the comment section number 11. Njalo realize if I call abantu bami abadala ama-customer bathenga i-product banokuthenga futhi ngenxa mase ngibafonele. Because kunabantu abayenza ama-sales but kunama-customer amadala azacabanga ukuthi mhlambe something is wrong because labantu ababuyi kuzothenga futhi. Ungathola imfihlakalo lapho ukuthi wena awusabafoneli after bake bathenga usafoni. Number 11, awuthandi umhlani banani number 11, and then Sorry, my apology, I missed some info because I am at work. Sorry about that, Ntatimpa Mpatlele. Okay, Mam Tandi Kalani, 11, Sister Zuma, 11, Agnes, 11, Sharon, Juliet, 11, Sharon, 11, Mam Sodi, 11, Sophie, Sophie, 11, and Tatim Mpatlele, 11, and then Chris Kamashala, 11. Let's see how many of you do get repeat sales if you check your customers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of you. When you check your customers, old customers, how many of us? We are 18. Out of the total number, 18 people, 9, when they check their old customers, they do place orders. Even if maybe it won't be regularly, but you have noticed, each time you check your old customers, they do place orders. So people who are not following up, they miss out on a lot of sales. They miss out on money. They miss out on productivity. They miss out on producing more case credits. So my leaders, let's follow up. Build repeat customers. To build repeat customers, you need to record all your sales. Mawuthengisela umuntu akunikeza ucash ubhale phansi uthenge i-gel, uthenge i-aloe vera gel, uthenge i-multi-marker, uthenge i-aloe vera gel, uthenge i-Arctic Sea, uthenge i-men's combo, uthenge i-women's combo, uthenge C9, uthenge i-Vital 5. Write it down because you want to check these people. A week later, phone them and check ukuthi kuhamba kanjani nge-product. So that if akayisebenzisi the way instruct ngayo khona ukumcorrect, uyakhumbula, I said this is how you use it. Very important, my leaders, that you check your old customers, or else you say only 2 or 3 months angatheng, check. But how are you doing with the product? We ask utakasenayo. When you do that, kaningana they give you another order. Or bengisazokufonela uzawuzodeliver. If ungashaya lezi zinto eziwu-6 nje, we are using the product to build the confidence yakho uzokhuluma nabantu abaningi. You are using the social media correctly. You are sharing, engaging, and sharing, inspiring across all platforms. And then inspiring content uyifaka ku-social media yakho. We are consistently putting in content ku-story sakho, ku-WhatsApp status sakho, ku-wall yakho, ku-Facebook, wall yakho kilona ku-TikTok wakho. You are consistently posting. At least even post 3 times a day. And see how your business, how it will explode. Product launches, we are doing product launches. Yabamema abamakholana abangane ey'hlobo makunemicimbi ekhaya after niqedile umcimbi sekuhleli kurelaxiwe manje kusocializwa wena ukhipha itafula lakho ubabiza la etafuleni lakho ushaya i-presentation or maniqedile nisekuhleli uveke phezu kwetafula i-transparent bag yakho. You will see. Or uyenza i-pop-up table makunama-event uphuma uyobeka itafula uyenza ama-one-on-one. We are check ama-customer wakho amadala. I'm telling you, there's no way. If you do these activities, uyohlala uthengisa i-product. Uzoqala ukuthengisa i-1 cc, izokhula to 2 cc, izokhula to 3 cc, izokhula ize ifika kubo-5 cc yama-sales. Imagine mawusothengisa i-5 cc, how much profit are you making in your pocket every month? So let's not miss out on money because of lack of activities. Let's know exactly what to do. So when it comes to recruiting my diamond, it's all about the success wheel. The success wheel or success cycle. Who do you know list? We'll go deeper individually next time. Now I want to cover all of them, even though I'm summarizing. Iba nencwadi la ubhala amagama abantu nama-number phone. Ungarekhodi abantu efonini. You need a 2-quire notebook. Now you are registering the names of people that you meet and their numbers. Start with 100 names and keep growing it. Each time you meet people, collect their names and numbers, put them in that book. From family members, friends, colleagues, relatives, everyone you meet, collect amagama. Be in the business of collecting names and numbers. And then also while collecting amagama, you are going to contact them. These are the people that you're going to phone, email, send WhatsApp to, or khulume nabo face-to-face, or invite. Either when the appointment for one-on-one, or we have an inviter ukuthi ngizokuthumelela video uyibheke, or we have an invite ukuthi Saturday sine presentation in product center, let's go and see the business presentation, or sine presentation kuphi eSekunda, or eWitbank, eMiddelburg, or eDaveyton, or else eSoweto, or else eMidrand, or else ePolokwane. Wherever you have that meeting, invite people to those meetings. Babuya kulianwel diako ya who do you know list, or esibiza in name list ngelinye igama. So we are going to show these people simenzela one-on-one, or simthumelele video, or simenzele WhatsApp presentation, or simenza that home launch simbeme endlini azobona, or simisa ku presentation nenkulu either ile yaka Zoom izolo Thursday, today's Sunday, or Thursday besine presentation, Tuesday besine presentation ku Zoom, or bamema kula ma presentation amakhumile yabo Zoom, or lawa yase yabo Saturday ku product center. Abajoyinayo ke siyohlala nabo phansi. Action. We are going to sit them down, set goals, do planning session now, setting goals, training, and making sure that we get started to develop them into manager level. Because funa ukuthi baye kwa manager, get them to manager level. Siyenza a plan, you're getting them to manager level as quick as possible. So, among a recruit, there's no growth in your business. So, recruiter, because recruiting is about growth. Kuna le video ngihlala ngishare leyo lethi recruiter ngathi uyahlanya. I think na last night ngifakile. Lo ntombazana uthi recruiter, if you want to have breakfast money every day, if you want to build your mom a house, if you want to buy a car, recruiter ngathi uyahlanya. Recruiter ngathi bazothi ungasa recruit.
If you want to break the chains of poverty in your family, if you want to build your mother a house, if you want to buy yourself a car, if you want to take your kids to the best school, if you want to, buy yourself an apartment, whatever, recruit. That's the only way. You are going to wake up to breakfast money every day. This is the last opportunity that I'm giving you for you to become a millionaire. Treat every opportunity like that. Make money. Guys.
I'll always share that video with you because I honestly believe that they achieve incredible results in business in nature. And if you are consistent in activity on your product, which use the same activities to recruit as well. Labantu esicoca nabo nge-product, it's the same people esicoca nabo nge-business food. There's no something special. The same activities as the product now is similar, exactly almost the same activities as a recruiter now. Then as soon as you start recruiting, builder or supervisor. Focusa with the team yako aiye kwa supervisor. But wait to see training special about this one. This is exactly that. Let's start this training about developing supervisors. This is the same activities we spoke about. 10 new conversations daily. Social media kala ukuxoxa nabantu ngebusiness lakho. Ufuna ukuya kwa supervisor, ufuna generate 10 cc in 1 month. Kala ukhulume nabantu abawu-10 ku-social media every day. Khuluma na-3 ngama-products, 3 business product presentations. Do 3 business presentations. Ungapresentela abantu abawu-3 about i-product nenge-business. So you did both with the same people. Follow up. Laba abakuthembisa ukujoyina abawu-3 every day. In the past, abathi siyajoyina kule nyanga. Khuluma na-3 every day. Ubacheke uthi ngiyakhumbula uyangena month end, ngicela ungithumelele imininingwane, ngicela ungithumelele yamininingwane. Follow up ama-customer awu-3 every day. Kula khona uzothola ama-repeat sales. Ubuyele uyostock. I-10cc izohlangana. Follow up 3 team members every day. Khuluma nabantu abawu-3 eteamini every day. Sometimes siyakhohlwa siba busy size sikhohlwe ukukhuluma nama-downline. Ngoba busy ufocus ekuthengiseni, ufocus ekurecruiteni abantu abasha. That is why I say kumele ube la ubhala khona amagama eteam yakho. Ngiyakhumbula last ngike nganishutela ibonda la ngine lona ngithenge ne-special lona ukuthi ngibonise angakayimount i-board yami. Ngiyakhumbula benginale yami i-board izenzele yona. Now I bought the actual board. La ngibhala amagama ngifuna ukuvula i-camera. Where is it? That you can see what I'm talking about. Oh, show video. Yes. Yangiphoyizela lento yami la. Ayifuna ngibonise. There we go. I want to the actual board. Mount. Ngiyakhumbula angisakhumbula ubani ufikile nobani ke ngabashutela i-board lami la ngibhala khona amagama abantu. If you are active ngisebenza nawe igama lakho livela kuleyo board. Ne-team yakho ngaphansi kwakho ngibhalile kulelo board. Ngibabonisa ukuthi why ngikhumbula nama-downline wami. It's not because I'm smarter than you. No. Ngazi abanye benu andikhona ukukhumbula ama-downline wenu from memory. No. It's because you are my key person. So ngibhalele lapha ebhodini lami. So abantu bakho aba-active ngibabhala amagama wabo ngaphansi kwegama lakho. So mangikhuluma noFikile, I know ukuthi ngaphansi koFikile unobani aba-active. Manga okay sinoma Mzuma, noma Mthandi la le team A1. So yeah, futhi besine meeting noma Mthandi noXolani eMpumalanga some 2 days ago. Ngibabonisile nabo lento ekhuluma ngayo. Ngithi ngibhala igama lakho la my key people, ngibhala igama lakho then ngibhala abantu bakho abakey ngaphezulu ngaphansi. Ngifuna ukusebenzisa labantu abakhona la emeeting. Ngibhala umama Nomvula. Uye uphezulu. Ngibhala umama Mpowe waseLeslie. Ngaphansi kwabo ngesikhathi masiba build up yakwa manager. Ngibhale uSister Zuma ngaphansi kwamama Mpowe waseLeslie. Ngibhale umama Mpowe waseSekunda ngaphansi kwamama Zuma. Ngama Zuma and ngaphansi kwamama Mthandi ngibhale uXolani. Ngaphansi kwaXolani ngibhale uNtifeleng. Ngibhale ulona bana sengikhohla ulona bekhuluma la izolo Eastern Cape. Uxolani ne-downline elise Eastern Cape. So ngibhale lamagama abantu aba-active la kule team. So mangikhuluma nomama Nomvula always ngizorefera kumama Mpowe waseLeslie. Mangikhuluma nomama Mpowe waseLeslie ngizorefera kumama Zuma because they are linked. Mangikhuluma nomama Zuma ngizorefera kumama Mthandi because they are linked. Mangikhuluma nomama Mthandi ngizorefera kuXolani ngizokubuya kumama Nandi sinomama Nandi ngaphansi komama Mthandi. Sizokhuluma ngomama ulona uZanele and then sizokhuluma uNtifeleng, sizokhuluma team yabo inkulu kakhulu. So I always have these names. I don't remember those names because I'm smart. No, I have a record in the board. Each time ngidlula le board ngibona lamagama. Kama Nomvula ne team yakhe yonke ngaphansi kwakho. ufikile neteam yakhe phansi, Pamela neteam yakhe ngaphansi kwakhe, ulona all my key leaders engisebenza now. Your name is up there, Sophie. France Then I see all the names France. Chief. So I don't remember those names because I'm smarter. I see your names all the time because you are on my board. So that is how you build managers. That is how you develop successful leaders under you. That's how you produce supervisors. You need to know your team consistently. So you communicate nabo consistently. Mankulma ulona Sisibusi. Angeke ngikhulume ngoSisibusi ngingakhulumi ngedownline lakhe. Excuse me. So all my key leaders, you know. Kuthi mangikhuluma ngawe, I'll always khuluma ngedownline lakho. Khuluma mangikhuluma no Thembeka, angeke ngikhulume no Thembeka siqede indaba singakakhulumi ngeteam kaSoso. Singakateam khulumi ngeteam kaLwandile abo Robert. So I'll always refer to your downlines because I have your name on top. Thembeka uSoso, Smiles, and then Ulwandile, Robert, Sharon, all the key people, they are on my list. I see their names. So I'll always talk Sharon, Richard, and Love Joy. So I know everyone's key people. It's because I have a board. So no longer board, without a board. It's because now they are in my head. I'll always talk about your downlines. You secret my leaders if you want to produce leaders that you need to do. You need to know your downlines, your key people. You need to know their downlines. So to remember, have a chart. Now you write this name. They must be on the wall where you can see. In your secret space, in your office, office put it in that office yakho. Ubene board lapana la ubhala khona amagama abantu. Why board ubhala amagama abantu and physical on the wall is because you see it all the time and you always update with new people. You always update until you get them to manage. And then you replace them with their key people. But you must always know their managers. Your managers now know their downline, their key people. I'm telling you, you're going to build a massive, massive team. If you can use tonight's training, 22, I think the highest number we had. Let's cut and check. No good means sometimes because I don't check all the time because I'm busy checking slides and stuff. If we're about joining tonight's session, you now go and repeat those activities that produces results. I'm telling you, this month, you are going to get the best results ever. There will be growth in your business. If now, take your diary, start planning your week. Don't go to sleep before you put appointment for when is your home launch kasbanban. Senza nini home presentation kasbanban. Senza nini presentation at your group. Senza nini it's ilona bangaki esba invite you for Saturday. Kuzanabo product center a presentation a product center. Kwalis ilona diary yakho ngama activities. But mama na diary, then you are not serious about your business. Ngekulenze le business ungasebenzisi incwadi. Diary yami ngibusy ngale ngifuna ukubonisa. Most of you see me, I always have a diary in my hand. You can't remember everything in Kanda. Ngine scrapbook la ngilista khona ama activities engiwayenzayo uzikhumbuza ukuthi ngiyenzani namuhla. And then ne diary nama appointment wesuku. Scrapbook kumele ngikhulume noXolani. kumele ngiyenze ama-appointment, kumele ngiyenze i-poster, kumele ngiprepare ama-slides with-training tonight, kumele ngiyenze ilona i-link ye-Zoom presentation. Zonke i-list ama-activities kumele ngiwayenze, ngiwadlulista that book sami engihlula ngibonisa lona mase-Albertine. I have that notebook, 2 notebook, la ngilista ama-activities. Ngile-diary la ngibhala ama-appointment khona. Ukuthi ngalesikhathi ngise-product center, ngalesikhathi ngenza i-one-on-one kuphi kuphi, ngalesikhathi ngenza i-launch kuphi kuphi, ngalesikhathi ngenza i-presentation kuphi kuphi, ngalesikhathi ngimenta i-manager yami esibanibani, ngalesikhathi ngimita supervisor wami esibanibani. Ngaphandle ukubhala phansi uzokhohlwa. Uma ungabhali phansi ungana-diary uzokhohlwa. Uma ukhohlwa ngeke wenze enough activities. Uma enough activities, you won't get results. If whatever is simple, you just need consistency. Consistency, my diamonds. If you were with me tonight, give me a number 12 in the comment section. But 12 mpela, mpela kwazwakala. More question, let me return the powers to unmute. Unmute ubuze if une question, or you want to add, you have a question, or you want to add, rename, unmute. Okay, there we go, unmute. Yeah, we say lama right to unmute. Ungazi unmute, ufuna uku-add, ufuna ukubuza, ufuna uku-comment, you are allowed. Thank you for number 12, Sis Busi. Thank you, Priska, for 12. And then, who else? Let's see. Thank you, Mam Rebecca, for 12. Our sister Zuma, thank you for the 12. Our Sophie, thank you, Mam Scotty, thank you. Thank you for the number 12. Sharon, thank you so much for number 12. Mam Tandy and Kolani, thank you for the number 12. So anyone to add? Sisbusi, Mam Scotty, who else is there? Add, please. Let's ask. Let's add. Before we call it tonight. And then I send the number appointment. Activities, my leaders.
Vuma ukamute awusivule. Hi leaders.
Hi.
Excuse. No, angifuna uku-add nisi but kubonga nje ukuthi sibe ne-training emnandi and then i-training inama-activities like bakukhumbuze ngezinto ozenzayo nokuthi uzibone ukuthi lezi zinto lezi abasitshela zona ukuthi zonke uyakhona ukuzenza na. Siyakhona ukwenza ama-one-on-one, siyakhona ukwenza ama-pop-up table, and then siyakhona ukukhumbuza abantu ama-customers wethu sibalandelele, siba-follow up or senze ama-one-on-one. So siyabonga ukuthi because izinto lezi ezibukeka zincane kodwa futhi izinto futhi ezibalulekile ngendlela eyisimanga and oku-easy nokuthi sizilibale singazenzi ngendlela. So le training nje iyasikhumbuza ngempela, isibuyisela back ukuthi masibuyele sibakhumbuze abantu bethu, sibatshele nge-product, even ama-customer wethu sorry, sibabuyele sibatshele ngama-products because abanye really bangabuya bathenge but ngokuthi nawe ujulile awubuyeli kubo nabo bayasithulela. But ma ngabe usubuyela kubo uyabangala ukuthi abantu bathi hayi, and bengithi ngifuna ukukufonela nje. So siyabonga kakhulu. Angikhona ukuthi kukhona okusele, sekuyikho nje ukuthi masiphusheni and then siqhubeke senze ngendlela esifundiswa ngazo ukuze sikhone ukuphumelela sonke. Ngiyabonga.
Anyone? Okay. Ne ke bone letsogo go Xolani le Mam Mthenge ke re maybe they want to say something. Anyone can just unmute and go ahead. We want results, my leaders. We want everyone to win. Very, very, very important that we leave this meeting understand ukuthi what we need to do. Siyabonga leadership, nami ngiyabonga Sisibusi, siyabonga, siyabonga, siyabonga. Today is 17, bakwethu. 17, how many CCs do you have? Very, very important, my leaders. Be obsessed ngama-case credit. Be obsessed ngama-case credit. Ama-case credit aproducwa ama-activities. Sisibusi gcwalisela lapho.
Yebo baba, i-flu ingiphethe. Hayi siyabonga kakhulu baba ngey'mfundiso zakho ukuthi nje siloku silandela kancane kancane size sifike la siya khona. Nanokuthi-ke nje noma seyiqalile i-Zoom singene eceleni sikhumbuze ama-downline ukuthi kune-Zoom ngoba phela abantu nje kodwa-ke badinga mhlawumbe ukuhleze bekhunjuzwa kodwa nje kubalulekile ukuthi si-athende yonke into eshiwoyo senze konke ubaba uSikhodi asifundisa kona ngoba ngaphandle kokulandela iy'mfundiso esifundiswa zona kunzima ukuthi sibone ama-results. Ngiyabonga kakhulu baba.
Siyabonga sisi, siyabonga kakhulu. So hayi recover idla i-product beyiphethe mina nonkosikazi. Nangu sesiyazwakala siyakhuluma manje. Sesibuye eCape Town yasilalisa phansi bese lokho sisebenza siphethwe i-flu enzima kabi. I-product i-powerful as long udla besifunctiona but uzwa ukuthi hayi ingibambile lento but sisoloko sifunctiona kahle nje. So pusha lapha ku-product. Berry nectar, bee propolis, uthi garlic, uthi absorbency, and then uthi ilona ke sifaka the-bee pollen. Sidla okuningi thina Arctic Sea, multimarker, forever daily sebenzisa nilona not active probio ne-aloe vera gel ekuseni i-aloe vera gel ne-active probio and then from lapho ke sesifaka lamanye maningi angikhawuntanga wonke but I'm telling you product ethi hayi bakwethu ihamba yodwa. So thank you so much. Ngathi ngibona Baba Ungema angazi sasekhona. Yes, Baba Ungema managers Mama Ungema and then uba nomunye uSister Zuma.
Hayi no leadership bengitshena nje ukuthi nami ngibonge nje mfethu kayi bengimamele nami ngifunda ngilongibhala nami phansi ngithatha ama-notes la abalulekile. Siyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Sister Zuma mawukhona ukukhuluma. Okay, Mama Zuma mhlawumbe akakhona ukukhuluma. Mampowe.
Sanibonani leader.
Sanibonani.
Yebo baba ninjani?
Hayi siyaphila.
Yebo baba siyabonga kakhulu, siyabonga sebakhulumile kukhulu, siyabonga kakhulu. Omunye umbono bengicabanga ukuthi njengoba ubaba sekasifundise ngale ndlela le asifundise ngayo maybe from kusasa bese Sunday sesiletha ama-results kulento sifundiswe yona ukuthi sikhone 1 2 3 and then yabo mhlambe nako lokho kuzosisiza kakhulu ukuthi sikhuthazeke senze something vele. Siyabonga kakhulu leader, siyabonga Nkosi yami. Siyabonga baba kakhulu. Thank you.
Hey, nathi siyabonga kakhulu mama. That's an excellent idea mama. Excellent idea kakhulu ukuthi vele kufuneka i-feedback yama-results ukuthi njengoba sifundile namuhla as-implementeni ukuthi masibuya Sunday ku-training siqale ngama-results sizwe ukuthi ukhona ukwenza ini uthole maphi ama-results njengoba i-power hour yenza asikwenzeni nathi uzobona zoba nama-results sinikeze i-feedback ukuthi after ngiyenze wonke lama-activity ngishare nama-slide lawa noma ngazange ngisawalungisa but ngiwashere ngiye ngawa-screen grab ngoba ngibonile ukuthi awa-screen grabanga ngawashare egroupini ubuyela ke uzofika ukrope kahle and then ufunde lama-slide futhi then uhambe uyo-implementa ke then Sunday masibuya sizoqala ngama-result njengomampoe aye wasuggesta. Siyabonga mamthandi ukuthi usuggestele very powerful suggestion. Thank you so much, my diamonds, and good evening. So I hope sonke your shamanje senza so we do the right activities. We know exactly what to do to make this May the best May ever, to make 2026 the best year ever by becoming top performing leaders who are six-figure income earners. My diamonds, good evening.